Mapping Sunshine and Rain by Krista O'Connell. Weather is important to all people. A farmer's field can be ruined if the weather is hot and dry. A picnic can be spoiled by rain. People like to know what the weather will be like tomorrow, 3 days from now, and even next week. This is now possible thanks to the science of meteorology. The weather map. One of the tools used to predict the weather is a weather map. Scientists use special machines to create these maps. These machines are used to collect information about conditions in the sky. What weather map can tell us? A weather map might look complicated, but the truth is that most people can make weather predictions using a map like the sample one at the bottom of the next page. You just need to know what the shapes, symbols, and letters mean. Look at the map as you read along. First, a weather map shows the places where the weather fronts are found. 2 main types of weather fronts are warm fronts and cold fronts. Both form when cooler air and hotter air meet. The map shows the symbols for each type of front. Warm fronts often bring rain and clouds. Cold fronts bring clear skies and cooler weather. Second, a weather map shows any weather systems in the area. These can be high pressure or low pressure systems. They are shown on the map by the letters H and L. Both types move from west to east. High pressure systems often result in nice sunny weather. Low pressure systems are likely to cause rain. Third, maps show what type of weather these fronts and systems will cause. The map shows that the cold front in Denver is expected to bring snow. The cold front between Atlanta and Miami will likely bring showers and thunderstorms. Replacing signs in the sky with sound science. It's true that looking into the sky can give some clues about what the weather will be in the near future. Most of us have seen the dark clouds that fill the sky before a thunderstorm. The color of the sky and the look of the moon can provide other clues. People no longer have to make a guess about the weather. Thanks to the science of meteorology, there are now maps like the one below as well as other tools. These can help meteorologists make very exact weather forecasts. They can also help predict the weather well before it ever arrives. Meteorologist, scientists who study and predict weather. U.S. winter weather map. Weather. Fog, rain, shower, snow, thunderstorm. Pressure systems. H, high, L, low. Fronts. Cold, warm. Number 5. In the section, What Weather Maps Can Tell Us, the author separated the information into paragraphs and included transition words like first, second, and third at the start of each paragraph. What is the most likely reason the author organized the section this way? A. To help the reader easily name and understand the 3 different types of information shown on weather maps. B. To help the reader understand which part of the weather map they should look at first, second, and last. C. To help the reader follow 3 main steps for creating a weather map. D. To clearly present 3 different arguments convincing the reader that reading a weather map is complicated. Number 6. What are the most likely reasons the author included the U.S. winter weather map inside the passage? Choose 2 answers. A. To help the reader understand how pressure systems and fronts cause different types of weather. B. To show the reader how difficult it is to understand a weather map. C. To show the reader the different types of weather that cities across the country usually experience. D. To show the reader that reading a weather map is not complicated at all. E. To show the reader that the distance between major cities in the United States. Number 7. How does the first paragraph of the passage affect the presentation of information? Choose 2. A. It defines meteorology for the reader. B. It helps the reader infer that they will be reading about predicting weather with meteorology. C. It helps the reader understand why meteorology is important. D. It challenges the reader to predict this week's weather. E. It helps the reader understand the importance of the weather map to meteorologists. Number 8. Why did the author choose to end the passage with paragraph 8? A. It challenges the reader to take action in order to solve a specific problem. B. It summarizes all of the important details from the passage for the reader. C. It reiterates the author's main point that the science of meteorology has made it easier to predict weather. D. It leaves the reader with the desire to make their own weather predictions by observing the sky.